Where are your clients hanging around? So if you're a real estate agent, you probably already know this, that everyone you get as a lead or a customer is not ready to pull off the trigger right off the bat, right? By knowing this, sometimes you get frustrated because like leads are not converting, and the reason is, and you might even lose the client or lead, which would be you would be able to convert 2 months, 3 months down the road, but you lose them because you become frustrated, and that comes when you don't understand where your leads are in the lead cycle, or where they are, in a better words, where they are in their awareness stage. So the people who scale to 6, 7 or 8 figures understand this concept, and they talk and nurture the leads just based on that, where they are in their awareness level. Because if you're pitching to someone a service, at the level that they're not either able to afford or not aware of, they're never going to convert whatever you do. But if someone is already hungry and they know what they're looking for, and you offer them a good service or a good product and offer them at a great price, they're just going to convert right away. So another example would be someone is doing hiking and they are extremely thirsty, and you bring them water and you even charge them more money, they're just going to convert right away. But someone who's just sitting and they are in their natural in home setting, they can get access to water from their tap and whatnot, you're trying to sell them water, is going to be very, very difficult. But for the same person, if he was hiking on the mountains, had no water, you could sell him expensive water, the same person would buy. So understanding where your people are in the buying cycle, where they are in their awareness stage, is very important. So Eugene Schwartz actually is one of the father of advertisement, and he popularized this concept that your audience is in 5 different stages. So let's talk about it. 5 levels of awareness. Okay, so first stage is unaware, obviously. Second one is problem aware, and this is my way of writing, so deal with it. Then the third stage is solution aware. Fourth, product aware, and then most aware. Now the problem is that everyone is after this group, most aware. Like everyone wants to get these people because they are the most highest quality. They know exactly what they want a good deal, and they'll buy. They're ready, they're primed. But the problem is, out of 100 people, these are going to be just 1% to 3%, depending on the market. 90% of your people are going to be hanging around in these stages. 90%. So people who understand how to work with these people, that's how they scale to 6, 7 and 8 figures. No one scales to 7 figures or 8 figures always talking to 1 to 3%, because they're just so few in your city. Even if you advertise to the entire city, there's gonna only be 1 to 3% out of 100 people who are gonna be here. So that means closing just a deal a month. That's how not you're going to be able to scale. The only way you're going to be scale is targeting this 90% of your market. So most unaware people are people who don't know if they need something right now. So for example, it could be an individual person, or like a single person who doesn't know if they need a house for now or not. They're busy with other stuff. But problem aware could be people who would be looking to downsize, or couple just got married, had a kid, and they want to buy a house, so they're problem aware, but they're not solution aware. Like how are they gonna buy a house? Like how are they gonna get mortgage? How are they gonna get pre-qualified? Okay, or seller, if he wants to sell a house but doesn't know how to sell it, how to market it. Then solution aware people who know the solution, like okay, I can hire a real estate agent, he can sell my house. I can hire a lender, he can get me pre-qualified, I need a 20% down payment, so they are solution aware. Product aware are people who know exactly what kind of bank they're going to be working with, what's down payment, how this all process works. They're just waiting for a good deal to make the move. Most aware people, as I already told you, they're ready to convert. They know what they can afford, they know what they want to buy, they're just ready to pull the trigger and do the transaction. So these are only 1 to 3%. Everyone wants them, but not everyone can get it because they're just so few. So if you can nurture these people, if you can move these people to these next stages, they are your loyal clients. Because like how many times is someone who you want to move, who you educate from this stage to then this stage, like he knows he needs a house, but you actually educate them how he can get a house, how he can get a cheap mortgage, how he can sell a house, how he can get good price, and how he can sell quickly. That's you're gonna get his business eventually. Like, there's no way that you're teaching him, you're nurturing him through this process, and they just become a client of someone who just came to their door and door knocked or cold called. They're just gonna be like, hey, I have been working this client for the last 3 months. He's been helping me, educating me, but I'm just gonna randomly go to some unknown guy, stranger who knocked on my door or cold called me just because he did that, right? Obviously, he's gonna work with you, and that's what happens when you pour in 100 leads here. Let's take a mathematical example. So 100 leads every month. So that's why I always say that you need to keep on prospecting. Your pipeline should never ever become dry, should never ever stop. 100 leads, one might come here, like you can close a deal with one. 90% of them are again going to go into all these stages. Could be problem aware, solution aware, product aware, and then that's how we actually, when we are working with our clients, based on these stages, we nurture them. So if they come here and you're nurturing them through the process, and let's say out of 190 leads come here and just 15 of them are product aware and 5 of them pull trigger with you, imagine what would it be like. Imagine closing 5 deals in 3 months, 4 months, 5 months with these people, and that was just for the first month of leads. What about the second month? Same 100 leads, 90 of them here. Again, you're moving them through the process. Again, they come to this stage, and 5 more. And that's how you scale to 7 figures or 8 figures, because you always keep pouring people in. They basically settle into these categories. Your job is to understand where they're at currently in their journey, nurture them according to that, and move them closer to product aware stage and then most aware stage. And then they're going to close deals with you. And that's how you scale, because momentum builds up, your pipeline builds up, your deals start to come in. Any business that you may know of, they've never scaled off of this most aware, because they're just so few. Okay, they're just so few. Every business that and that's why big companies spend a lot of money. They even go in negative, spending money on people to acquire a customer, because they're spending so much money educating people and bringing them along their journey, that when it's the right time to move, they move with those companies or people. So I hope you found value with this video, and if you wanna want me to make more videos like these, put a comment below. And if you need our help, if you're an agent or broker and you're looking to grow consistently, add an extra 3 to 5 deals a month to your business, then just DM me, message us, and we'll get back. So thank you very much again, and share this video with your friends if it was helpful. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next one.